I've been a student at Cedarwood, since as long as I can remember.
We all sort of say that we're like family.
Cedarwood helps me learn.
You can start learning really fast and it's really fun.
I really like my classes, my friends, and recess at Cedarwood.
I love my class.
I really look forward to hanging out with my friends. I really appreciate that my friends at Cedarwood are loyal.
One of the things I like about Cedarwood is that I'm friends with people in other classes.
Feels like the entire class are my friends.
Cedarwood is so accepting and a huge, big, loving community.
There's no one in my class that I haven't laughed with.
It's pretty easy to make friends here. A good thing to do when you're a new student is meet people.
The teachers are really nice.
I really appreciate that all the teachers have like a special bond with every student.
They teach us as much as possible.
The way each class is taught is so fun, playful, magical, compassionate.
The teachers at Cedarwood are very special. I love the teachers because they're all loving and welcoming to new students.
Some advice I would give for new students is really be enthusiastic about participating.
I've grown really close with new students joining every year. If you're new to Cedarwood, I would just say, be yourself.
Be yourself. Be yourself.
It's a very accepting place and there is a space for everyone.
I'm glad I go to school at Cedarwood.